touch, we break, make it seem like we feel this.
Hi, welcome back to Prince YahweTV, and today I'm going to discuss about quarterly assessment report for school year 2021-2022 for senior high school level. If you are new to my channel, please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos. And please watch my video until the end because I'm going to show you an automated Excel file that you can submit the quarterly report accurately and in an easy way. Now, let's watch and learn.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel this.
So what is the basis of this quarterly report and assessment for the school year 2021-2022? So this is based on the Regional Memorandum 1101. It states that the data gathered shall be used to further review the different modalities and strategies employed in the delivery of instruction and serve as the basis in determining the most appropriate interventions to improve learning. QRA forms and process flow of the submission of the previous school year shall still be used to this school year. So what is the process flow? The process flow and the QRA forms of the submission in the previous school year can be seen in this memorandum. Division Memorandum 219. So you can see the forms there and the process flow. So what is the process flow? First is the QRA form 1 and 2 to be prepared by the advisor. So each advisor will prepare the form 1 and 2 and then they will submit it to their grade leaders. And the grade leaders will make the QRA form 3 or the consolidation of the form 1 and 2. And then if the grade leaders will finish making form 3, he or she will submit to the guidance, school guidance, or the ICT coordinator. And the ICT coordinator will consolidate the form 3 of each year levels. And then if the school guidance or the ICT coordinator will done, we're going to submit it to the district. So the district consolidation will be create the QRA form 5. So that's the process flow of submitting the QRA form. Again, the process flow: QRA form 1 and 2 to be prepared by the advisor. QRA form 3 will be done by the grade leaders, and QRA form 4 will be done by consolidator or school guidance ICT, and the QRA form 5 will be done by the district testing coordinator and guidance.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel this.
Now let's move into the application part. So now I'm going to show you an automated Excel file of quarterly report assessment. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, so this is a QRA form 1 tab. This is QRA form 1, 2, form 2, QRA form 3. So in QRA form 1, so this is the dashboard. Fill in the necessary school information dashboard: the school year, quarter, district, school name, school ID, grade level, section, advisor, testing coordinator, school head or principal, and public district supervisor. And this is the dashboard also here to be clicked. So in quarterly report assessment form 1, you can see here the name of student and their grades. So this will be accomplished by advisor. The advisor will accomplish this form 1, and if you copy and paste the name here and you encode the grades here, you don't do anything on QR form 2 and QRA form 3. It will automatically, in QR form 2, it will automatically reflect how many outstanding, very satisfactorily, and satisfactorily, VS, FS. It will automatically reflect. And in the QRA form 3, you can see here the section and the result of your this form 3. You will submit this for the form 1 and 2 will be done by the advisor, and then the QRA form 3 will be the consolidation. The form 3 will be done by the group leaders. Every subject, the grade,
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
okay, so this is quarterly report assessment form 1, quarterly assessment form 2, and quarterly assessment form 3. So you don't do anything on form 2 and form 3. Just the advisor will encode the name of the students here and the grade of the student and the subject, encode the subject below. In the DepEd memorandum, there is no senior high school template, so I make this template for senior high school. So you can edit the name of the subject here, because I know that in grade 11 and grade 12 they have different subjects. So after that, it will automatically generate the number of outstanding VSS and FS in the school form 2 and school form 3. And this school form 3, you will submit this school form 3 to the grade leaders. So every advisor will submit the school form 3 to the grade leaders. Then after that, the grade leaders will make after that, the grade leaders will make a grade consolidation. So this is now the grade consolidation. In the grade consolidation, there is only grade, quarterly grade, quarterly report, assessment, grade, example grade 11. So they will attach here, the grade leaders will attach here the section. Example, in senior high, we have 2 sections, so we'll put the 2 sections here, grade 11 Capricorn and grade 11 Gemini. And here, the data from QRA form 3, the data from QRA form 3 will be done by the advisor. The data there will be consolidated by the grade leaders. And then this QRA form 4, this one, will be submitted to the guidance or ICT coordinator, so that it will be consolidated by grade and then submit it to the district. So that is the process flow of accomplishing the quarterly report on assessment. Okay, if you are interested on the template, the automated template that you can
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
Now, I will show you an example of consolidation quarterly assessment report form 3 by the different sections. Okay, as you can see here, in QRA Form 3 Grade 7, there are 5 sections. As you can see, there are 5 sections on Grade 7. On Grade 8, there are 4 sections. And Grade 9, 4 sections. And Grade 10, 4 sections. So, this consolidation will be done by the school guidance coordinator or ICT coordinator. So, from the grade leaders, each grade leaders will consolidate the grade level like this, all grade 7 section, and they will submit it to the guidance or IC coordinator, and the IC coordinator will consolidate it to grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, and then it will create a school form 4. This one, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10. And this school form 4 will be submitted to the district, and the district will consolidate and create a school form 5. So that is the process flow of the quarterly report on assessment tool. So if you are interested on the automated application, you can download below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
So that's it. You can submit the quarterly assessment report in an easy way and in an accurate way. So if you're interested in the template, you can download below, and please comment your email because I'm going to send you if you
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
If you are interested in my automated Excel file, you can click the link below so that you can download. And if you'd like to edit some information on the Excel file, I will give you the access code. Please complete the Google Forms below so that I will email the access code.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
To end my presentation, I would like to leave a quote from Helen Keller. According to her, alone we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Once again, thank you so much. This is Prince YahweTV, and see you on my next video.